Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025. This video gives the overview and details guide for round 4, the last round of CompXM. You can check the other video for round 1, 2, and 3, and the most important is the first series of video for round 1, because you can see the own winning tips, 10 winning tips to win right from round 1, right? Winning tips. 1, the industry condition report. You need tip 2, check the career report. The most 2 important reports. You can check the other video for details guide for 10 winning tips right from round 1. And now this is the result for our after our round 3. You see you get the top sale and top profit, right? Top sale and top profit. And now details for round 4 I show you now. So for round 4 R&D we keep updating the 4 products, right? Keep updating the 4 products using the Excel file here to calculate R&D for 4 rounds. And then we set the price, we reduce the price by 50 cents, use promotion and sale for 2000. If you have reached 100 customer awareness, you can reduce back to 1400. And then calculate the sale forecast. We can use page 4 of the report, use this number. Remember, you need to use the report from your game. Do not use this number on the screen. Use the report from your game here, the report here, right? Page 4 and industry condition report for that. And then the production here, you just use the sales forecast calculated right here and deduct inventories here, so we get the production schedule. For round 4 is the last round. We have enough production capacity, so we don't have to adjust other thing. We also have very good contribution margin here. You see that? Yeah, mainly over 50%, right? And for HR, we maintain 5,000 for recruitment and 80 hours for training to get the best workforce. And for finance, finance of round 4 is different. We buy back the stock here. We retire the stock here. We pay dividend a lot, right? Much higher than competitors, and we don't need loan here because we have very high sales budget, right? High cash budget, and also we pay long-term debts 50,000. And we check the pro forma income. We have very high sales here, and 50% of contribution margin and 20% of net profit, right? And you can see the top result of round 4. We have very high result and top sale and profit here, 47% of market share and top stock price. And also the final result of round 5, we get 935 out of 1,000. So that's overview for all the guide tips for the CompXM. So I show you one time more from the beginning, so you can learn that and win for all rounds, right? So we start from here, the top winning tips. We start the CompXM. We need to check the industry condition report first, 4 segment, and remember to use table 3 of the industry condition report. For the career report, we use that each round to set the price, the growth, the unit we sell, and inventory. R&D is the most important. We added new 4 products from round 1, so we can lead the top sale and top profit from round 2 to 4. Promotion and sale and marketing, the most important is calculate the sale forecast based on the unit we sold last round, and calculate the production based on sale forecast and inventory. Buy new capacity, update automation. HR we use 5,000 and 80 hours. Finance we use the 3 sources of fund in round 1, 2, and payback in round 4. TQM use around 1,000 for all the 4 rounds. Remember, R&D most important. And then we can come to price and production, HR, finance, and TQM. And need to check career report to read for each round to complete the quizzes, right? If you see the top result, right? Check the video for round 1 R&D, marketing, production, HR, finance, and round 2, round 3, round 4, all the rounds, and you can get the top results. If you have any question, you send the email to mbacim.ferris@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. Thank you for watching.